If someone told me that this is what I would be doing with my life 4 years ago, I would have thought you were absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I never thought that this is what I would be doing with my life. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Megan Haynes and I am an e-commerce entrepreneur. I'm starting this channel to hopefully help inspire people that are debating on whether they should start their own small business or not, and hopefully inspire some other females out there to let them know that this is absolutely possible, that you can be doing this with your life, working from home, making your own hours. Anybody can absolutely do this. So let's dive in. I'll tell you a little bit about myself. So again, my name is Megan Haynes. 3 years ago, I decided to start my own business during the pandemic. At the time, I was working as a bedside nurse in a pediatric hospital. I just had so much time on my hands. I was either going to work and then just coming home where I had not much going on. We were in lockdown. And my boyfriend suggested that I start an e-commerce store. He had been running his own e-commerce stores for a few years now at this point. He just sat me down. He was like, this is something I think you could definitely do. And it's something that doesn't need to be full time. You can make it exactly what you want to make it. And he just kind of gave me the first steps. He was like, you have to, create an LLC. You have to do these things first, and then the rest, it's going to come naturally. You're going to figure it out. And at that time, I was bored out of my mind, sitting at home in my apartment. And I decided, you know what? Why not? Let's just start and see what happens. So that day I filed for my LLC. I expedited it. I got my paperwork, I think, within 2 to 3 weeks. And from there, the rest truly is history. Recently, in the past year, I was able to leave bedside nursing full time and decided to focus on my e-commerce stores full time instead. I still do pick up shifts as a nurse. I still enjoy being a nurse, but it was that freedom of not feeling attached to the job. I didn't need to go into work every single day. I could work when I wanted to pick up shifts. And if I had a really tough shift, I didn't have to go in the next day again. And that to me was truly my definition of freedom. I love being a nurse. I love caring for people, for patients, but it can truly become draining. And I was able to make my e-commerce businesses the life that I truly want to be living. So if you're watching this at home and saying, there's no way that I could do this, my story is going to line up with Meg's, and I thought that too. I never in a million years would have thought that I would be running my own company. It just never crossed my mind. I went to school for exercise science and then went back to school for nursing. And I thought that was going to be my life, that I would maybe go get my NP degree or get a master's in nursing. I never thought that I would be sitting here making videos trying to show people that you are absolutely capable of making this your reality. So if you're somebody who thinks that you may be wanting to start your business, welcome to my channel. I hope that I can inspire you and give you some confidence to go out and do this on your own. I plan on sharing some of my experiences, some of my biggest mistakes that I've made over the past 3 years, all the way to how to do videos, how to do certain things to get your business up and running, and what has worked for me and what works for a lot of other people. That's truly what I want to share. I want this to be an educational channel for men, women, anybody who is debating on making this their reality. So if you're interested in that, buckle up and hopefully you enjoy the ride with me. If you wouldn't mind just liking this video and subscribing to my channel, that way hopefully the YouTube algorithm starts to work and I can get my word out there and truly help people that are looking for this kind of education. If you have any questions about how I've gotten to this point in my life, or any questions just about me in general, or questions about how to do this, please drop a comment below. I will absolutely make sure that I'm responding and getting back to everybody. But other than that, I hope everybody enjoyed watching this, and thank you.